make sure our mat still fits in here the way it should. And that will work just fine. And that our temperature sensor fits in, which it will. So now we'll go ahead and secure that in place. It needs to be under the heat mat. In this case, we'll just use a little bit of hot glue to hold that in place. And then to secure the mat down, we're just going to use staples, stapling in between the wires, not across them. But before we do any of that, we want to install our loudmouth, which will let us know if we damage the mat while we're doing the rest of the install here. Okay, that's good to go. And then starting around the cold bleed area and working down the center of the mat, we'll staple the mat down and work out any slack to the edges as we go. We're also being careful not to put any staples through where that temperature sensor is. So at this point, we've finished installing our mat. We haven't tripped our loudmouth, we're still good to go.